Hello, Brain Warriors. Okay, today's question? I drink a protein drink in the morning, but within 30 minutes to an hour, I'm so hungry again. What am I doing wrong? Well, I'm not sure you're doing anything wrong, but you may want to assess what you're putting in your smoothie. Let's see. You may need more in it. So depends on your weight. If you're trying to lose weight, if you're trying to gain weight, like I happen to be a hyper metabolic person because of my thyroid issue. So they keep me hyperthyroid. As a result, I tend to burn through stuff pretty quickly. I just have to put more stuff in mine, right? So I'll put avocados and nut butter in mine, or I'll put a little bit of coconut butter in mine. So I have to do that in my smoothie or I'm hungry within a short time. So you can just add a bit more stuff if you are hungry. Now, if you're trying to lose weight and you're hungry, ask yourself, are you hungry or are you actually, are you just looking for something to eat? So ask yourself those questions. And if you're hungry or you're feeling like you want to eat something, try eating some celery and stuff like that and see if it helps. If not, then think about adding stuff to your smoothie that's going to make it stick. So you always want to make sure it's a combination of your healthy fat, your healthy carbs, enough fluid. So one thing I put in mine is I make sure I've got at least 2 cups of fluid. I want my 2 cups of water. So I don't even use the almond milk because I want to make sure I'm hydrating my brain. Then I have my protein powder. Then I have my healthy fat. So I make sure I get at least 1, usually 2 tablespoons of healthy fat for me. My husband doesn't like that much in his, right? And then I've got about ½ cup to a cup of berries. And then I've got minimum of 2 cups of greens. So that's typically what I'll put in mine. Now, I actually add some extra fiber. The fiber will help fill you up. So in my case, I like to put either flax, I'll put ground flax, or I'll put hemp seeds, and that really helps. The extra fiber is what's going to give you the bulk. It's going to make you feel more full. So if you're not adding all of that, consider it, try that out. Give it a shot. Let us know what you think. Hope this was helpful. So if you'd like a free copy of the Brain Warriors Way cookbook, leave me a message at tanaamon.com in the contact page. We're going to do a weekly drawing and a giveaway. So leave me a question as well as your information. And if you get chosen and you're within the US, we're going to send you a gift. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And right to the right of that is a little bell. If you want to be notified when your questions are answered, hit that bell and you'll hear it every time. Thanks.